Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to export a WhatsApp chat to another phone. Maybe you have an important conversation that you want to transfer to your backup phone or your iPad. Well, we've got you covered, so let's get started. First, what we want to do is open up WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the settings at the bottom right hand corner here. Then we want to tap on the chats and scroll down until we find export chat. Tap on it and choose the conversation you want to export. There are several different options for exporting, such as email, text or save to files. You can choose the one that works best for you. Keep in mind that the conversation will be exported as a zipped archive, so you won't be able to continue the conversation on WhatsApp. If you want to save the conversation for future reference, you can choose to email it to yourself or save it as a file. If you want to continue the conversation on another device, you can move all your chats over to an Android phone by tapping on Move Chats to Android at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. It's pretty easy to export a WhatsApp chat to another phone. We hope the video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.